Hi, I'm Lorie Marrero, and as you get ready for your holiday gatherings this year, don't be a martyr, be smarter. I want you to delegate this year by having jobs for people to do, like the ones you see listed here on the screen. When someone comes into the kitchen and asks, "Can I help?" say yes and give them one of these jobs to do. You know, even the kids can be involved. When you use Lemmy Shine cleaners, they're non-toxic and safe for anyone to use. So you can use something like this everyday cleaner, spray off the counters and clear off everything. And there's even a bonus that you may not know. There is a natural polymer in the everyday cleaner called Gunk Guard that puts a protective surface down as you clean, making it actually easier to clean up next time. And as you're going through the festivities, make a sink of hot soapy water so that you can soak all those tough dishes, and you can use Lemmy Shine dish soap. Now I want to show you something that I just learned about. This is super cool. It has a drip proof valve, so you can open this. It's not going to drip. You clip it open on the back. You can leave it set up just like this on your sink and give it a quick squeeze and always have it ready with one hand operation. So I love this. So again, don't be a martyr, be smarter, delegate this year, and if you'd like more holiday tips, you can visit us at lemmyshine.com.